Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about Dividend Portfolio Management Framework for Defensive Allocation. Building a dividend portfolio is not only about earning income. It is also about protecting that income during uncertain market conditions. So, in this guide, we will look at a simple defensive allocation framework that can help investors create a more stable and resilient dividend portfolio. First, we begin by setting defensive goals. This means defining your income target, your risk level, and your stability goals. In other words, you need to decide how much downside protection you want while still aiming for consistent dividend income. Next, we review the current portfolio. At this stage, we check sector weights, dividend yield, and individual holdings. This helps identify whether the portfolio is too concentrated in cyclical, risky, or high volatility positions. By reviewing the portfolio carefully, investors can understand where defensive improvements may be needed. After that, we identify defensive sectors. Traditionally, defensive areas may include utilities, healthcare, consumer staples, and telecom. These sectors often provide products or services that people continue to need in different economic conditions. As a result, they may offer more stable cash flow and more durable demand compared with highly cyclical industries. Then, we assess dividend quality. This step is very important because a defensive dividend portfolio should focus on reliable income, not just high yield. Investors should review payout ratios, earnings stability, dividend history, and balance sheet strength. Companies with resilient cash flow and a consistent dividend record may be better suited for a defensive strategy. Next, we reallocate portfolio weights. This means reducing overweight exposure to risky positions and increasing exposure to quality defensive dividend payers. However, the goal is not to remove all risk completely. Instead, the goal is to create better balance, reduce volatility, and keep the portfolio aligned with a defensive plan. After that, we reinvest and build resilience. Dividends can be reinvested into priority defensive holdings to strengthen the portfolio over time. In addition, new cash can be used to improve balance, increase diversification, and support long-term income growth. Then, we monitor and rebalance the portfolio. Defensive allocation is not a one-time activity. Investors should review performance, income consistency, and allocation drift regularly. If the portfolio moves too far away from the target plan, periodic rebalancing can help bring it back in line. As we can see, the core defensive principles are diversification, stable income, lower volatility, and quality first. These principles can help investors avoid relying too heavily on one stock, one sector, or one dividend source. In addition, defensive allocation may offer several benefits. It can support income stability, improve risk control, reduce emotional stress during market swings, and encourage long-term discipline. For dividend investors, consistency can often be just as important as growth. However, there are also good practices to remember. Avoid chasing very high dividend yields, because unusually high yields may signal higher risk. Use sector limits to avoid over-concentration. Review payout safety before depending on dividend income. Keep some cash flexibility for opportunities or emergencies. And most importantly, stay patient and consistent. So, the key takeaway is simple. A stronger defensive dividend portfolio is built with discipline, quality, diversification, and time. By setting clear goals, reviewing your portfolio, selecting defensive areas, checking dividend quality, reallocating carefully, reinvesting wisely, and monitoring regularly, investors can build a portfolio designed for more stable long-term income. Finally, remember that this content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.